Hey guys, it's Ness here at LAV, and today we're going to be making a pumpkin espresso martini. It's the perfect way to kick off fall. Let's get started. First, you're going to fill your shaker with ice. Now you're going to add 1 ounce of our LAV Ristretto Espresso Vodka. Next, you're going to add 2 ounces of our pumpkin sorbetta, which is our version of a liqueur, and it's made from real fruit and sugar. Next, you're going to add 1 ounce of cream and shake. Now this next part's optional, but I highly recommend to add a caramel rim because not only is it pretty, it adds a sweet touch as well. Next, you're going to strain your mixture into your glass. And now you're going to top off with 3 espresso beans and enjoy. Cheers to fall.